my correct people, my oboge people, my sweet heart people, my sababa people. Now who did there? My beautiful people, I bring this good news come. Yes, so I bring this our brother Unstoppable. If not Unstoppable, who you know as a prank guy. Yes, so now I read bring prank on this our street, our social media specs. Now they read the scatter husband and wife, now they light husband and wife when they don't love themselves, or when they cheat themselves, or when they chop another cucumber, another purpose. Now this our brother and I bring a lot come outside. If you don't know now who you know for that thing. Now it be the real baba when they do the thing. Now it be the real original when you break the thing out. Unstoppable, I was shutterized last night in the middle of night when now know them as a content creator. As a content creator, you know, you look around, then you see this I see this particular, this our brother Unstoppable. Initially I dey watch his video, I dey watch his prank, I dey watch a lot of his prank when I'm dey free. Yesterday when I come across this video when he buy 2 car. If you dey out there, you dey work with anybody, be humble and be loyal. You don't know where your blessing go from. I know say car no be rich, car no be riches, but at least it's step of rich. Okay, who knows never see food to eat? You know say you want to go buy car. Who never fit pay house rent? I don't believe say go buy car. This is our brother Unstoppable. He buy 2 car to surprise 2 of the worker. I be 3, but now 2 I see. Now the 2 I will talk about. According to the video, they say now 3, but now 2 mixing. Unstoppable, he buy 2 car and he use and surprise those his 2 workers when he read the humble lawyer. How it take come for me? Many of their pranks sometimes are they I not saying that at all. But Unstoppable see they manageable past others people. I'm sorry, not be say I they join Unstoppable. I they no. You know, for people when suffer cook food. For you to throw away that food, for me, it's no for me. I don't like them. And I don't see sign that. Till now, as I see they talk now, as a Naija Daughter, I not sign that. Okay, because people, they pass through. People, they now, as me and you, they talk now. They never see food eat this morning. Some people, they never will see fire. They never set fire since yesterday. Now you will get people food just because of say, you want help that person come out. You want carry and pass that step when they make climb another step. That step when they carry that person pass. So another person they there when never feel reach that step when that person did. Some people they cook food, they say. Some people don't get money to start that business. Maybe no. When some people they hawk, some people don't get that money to start top that hawk when you want for remove that person. So you say these fingers are not equal. People with their different people they pass through differently. Okay, for me, why I don't always take against when they do that prank? Why they explain myself now because I talk for inside this video. Why they against people when they do all those prank, throw away food, do a lot of things. People they there where they never see food eat since morning. Why can't you hire people as I first state of one of prank when I talk about? Hire people, give them those food, say, I no go pay. Then the person reaction, if you don't deserve to give that money, then ask her, how much be your food? When you see say the thing they go, then you pay and the main money. Then you go use and bless somebody who get good heart. For you to just throw away people's food, that one not good. About husband and wife, when this our brothers Unstoppable they do. For me, I don't feel say it bad. I don't feel say it bad. Because if you really love your husband, why you go to cheat on your husband? You deal with man for house. You they cheat. Now wow. Now the grace. In fact, it get as they do me for, but if I say our women like that, yes, it get as they do me. When for men's side, man when they cheat, I don't believe say you know wetin you marry and you know wetin you choose. If you know wetin you marry, you be the type when they like slimming as I just be now. You be the type when they like slimming. They not blind your eye before you go carry orobo. See this orobo. If you be the type when you like orobo, then you can't go carry somebody like me. They not blind your eye now before you go carry person like me. If you carry your choice and you marry the one when you know say the kind of woman, the kind of taste woman when you know say you like, and the kind of taste man when I not believe say you go look outside. And if you still get fear of God, I don't believe say you will still do all those things. My beautiful people, I just they talk. May we first watch this prank, then we'll come back. May we see the end. What will be our opinion?
Video them. May everybody knows that thieves. Come on, come this side. Come this side. Hey, my man, come and stand here and video this. Are you stupid? Dey here. Come here. I'll follow it up. In day life. Come this side. Come this side. Yesterday I keep 400,000 for my bed. I know sir. Who collect her?
Because I don't understand.
Answer me. Are you stupid? Are you following talking mad?
Because I don't collect money to check now.
I talk. Jesus Christ. Are you mad? Are you following talking any money? Who collect my 400,000 why I keep yesterday? I don't know how fight me.
No now.
Okay, wait.
I don't deal with you now. Never take your money for one day now. Never collect money.
I don't bring una come train una. Everybody don't know una. Now una they use her against me.
So yesterday Nigeria you say me I go. I go buy food for you. As I come back, and around 11, I later come back. I go enter my room, go sleep. I go enter your room, I don't call anything.
Why did you steal my money? Why are you guys stealing now? Why? Day life, everybody should be seeing this. Day life. Why did you steal my money?
You never take your money. You answered. I'm talking about.
You also say this guy they tell me what bitch. I follow you talk. They talk nonsense.
Money. We not thief your money. This kind of thing. Nothing get us finish. We go they carry your money. We not thief your money. Since when you did with us, we don't carry your property before. We don't touch your money. Who touch your money untouchable? I beg.
So this guy is inside the joke. No, I've called police. I don't feel this guy.
I not touch your money.
This part, I call the emotion. As a stoppable, they prank them. I call the emotion for this part. When mostly the black guy for inside, you'll see the humble. The two they humble with unstoppable, but the black guy, oh, he was estrad. He just unstoppable, not able to beat and stay beat the red guy, the fair guy. But if you look both of them, the black guy, he really humble. He just start crying. For me, when I watch those guys, I don't know say that unstoppable be their baba. Oh. I don't know say that unstoppable be their baba. I just say they just start up their own. I don't know say they do it for stoppable. But I was shutterized last night when I know say they do it for stoppable. When unstoppable buy their car, when they prank them, they do it for stoppable. Please, any organization when you they do things, be loyal because you don't know who will help you. Let's watch if you want to watch the full video, go there channel, go watch the May video. Let's watch when unstoppable finally tell them say, now prank, I buy you guys car. See the joy. The black boy say, if my mom, what if my mom want talk? If I drive and go meet my mom, I don't be car owner. My people, may I never to use my money take chop banana too much. Let's watch. Let's go there, okay? So that me now wash and about myself.
This one I collect them too. So I give. Now I they belong to you. My own be this. You. My own be that. Let me prank. This time my cars. I won't distribute my car. Just one day with two. So my guy. This one I collect them two. So I give one. I won't prank flower boy with one. Then give you one. Now you get this one. Then you get that one.
I don't understand.
Stand up, okay?
No, man. Jesus. Jesus.
Hey! Jesus! Stop it, mad. Stand up.
Boss.
More like that.
Boss. Jesus. Boss, thank you. God bless you, boss.
You don't do. Stand
boss,
up.
thank you.
Una don't deal with me for long. Una don't deal with me for long. Una don't really deal with me for long. So, my guy, see your khaki.
Boss, thank you.
Stand up.
Boss, thank you.
Thank God. Now your car with that. So, now your car with this. Please, I know one year story. Hey, tell me the person don't even. The name, you change the plate number name. I hear say they do change of name. Or you come out and register the car.
Boss, thank you.
This guy won't fight.
Jesus. I can't believe it.
Stand up.
Jesus. Boss, Jesus. Boss,
This guy, una lawyer to me, so stand up. Nothing.
Jesus.
It's nothing.
Jesus. Boss, thank you.
Una dey lawyer. No be lie.
No, thank you.
But do funny. You know what 5 person. But do funny. You know what 5 person. So stand up. Nah, for you, my guy. Now you deserve to stand up. At least the person he pass, he will say no, but do funny they pass. Now they work out with that guy, it no make sense now. And they call one of my boys. So una water. Close your sister my hand.
Jesus. God. Boss, thank you. Boss, I really appreciate it. Thank you, boss. Thank you. Thank you, boss.
More than still dey loyal. At least I do for una, more than do for another person.
No,
so this life take me.
No, boss, thank you.
You get the level.
Oh, do funny. Jesus. God. So let her drive car for this life.
They settle family case with leg. Let's go and settle family case. You go use again.
My mom can't wait to see this. Jesus.
Stand up, guys. Stand up.
Thank you, boss. Now me say I go drive car.
Thank you, boss.
I never
Thank you, boss. Hi, my mama go mad. If you do video when you go show your mama the car, video and post, you get. I just want to do one from my mind.
Thank you, boss. Thank you.
You hear that part?
Put your hands.
You say my mama. When I go watch the full video, you say my mama. Oh, stop! Heaven, now who did there? Now who? In fact, it's like now your side that for learn this thing. No. Now who did there? Now who? Hey! Now stop people they do one more. Now no, not any other person. Or stop people buy 2 car, but he said 3 car, but now 2. My I see 2 car for a boys. to surprise. I don't even know say those guys, they're unstoppable boys. So hey, he said he buy 2 car. He buy 2 car to surprise his 2 boys. He said they're 2 day lawyer. May una not change you. May una keep doing what you they do. This black boy, in fact, you are so emotional. You just be like, you even pass a woman. As you make sure your mom, you'll be mommy boy. You'll be mommy boy, and keep it up, okay? Go give your mom, go show her to your mom, and do video, your mom reaction. We can't wait to see her. Our brother, star people, may the good Lord bless you. Your pockets will never dry. You will never experience dry. As you put this smile for, some surprise, some joy day, some happiness day, when they turn to joy, you give them joy of happiness. See the way they are. In fact, mostly the black boy. I don't know why I always say mostly the black boy. Both of them, they are good. They are humble. But mostly the black boy, the way he was humble, cry, emotion, talk about his mom. Now I want drive car. Not if I dreams I go drive car. As you put that joy for their face, their mind, they sweet. Now so your life goes sweet. You will not experience lack. As you favor children of God with this kind of surprise, God have done your own, because I believe with my prophet, TB Joseph, I mean, so rest in peace. He said, when you they pray, people will say, they pray. Why do you not ever break down? He said, sometimes they sick. If they sick, you won't just come outside. As soon go start that prayer, say that sickness will vanish. Because when you they do all that, so God is heaven is doing your own. When you they prepare other person's bed, God in heaven is prepare your bed. As you give them those 2 cars, more blessing to you, more, in fact, more favor to you. You will not prank things. You will not prank anybody when you put it for Pope level. For that prank when you do the cinetic, that one too high. I stop people now who they there now who Biko, I beg. When I subscribe, all stop people fans, when I follow me, if you not follow me, when I follow me, I happy to this my 2 brother. Congratulations to you. May the good Lord bless you and protect you as you both of you go to drive this car. As death will not be your portion, engine lock will not be your portion. Favor upon favor upon favor. As you now boss pray for you. Higher to you guys. May una still dey humble to him. Not be say because he dey drive car, now they drive car, now they do like this. No. May una still dey humble. More blessing on the way. More blessing on the way. Now who they may una try unstoppable. God will bless you. My people, if you never subscribe, what are you waiting for? If not, they follow me on Facebook. Why now? Please be cool. Follow me now. Follow me. Share my video. Okay? Give me like the video on Facebook. Like the video on my YouTube, because I'll post up on my 2 platforms. Okay, unstoppable, untouchable. Anyone, I believe it's unstoppable, untouchable. Let me confirm it before I end this my video.
Anything where you put your hands.
Untouchable, not unstoppable. Untouchable. I will put that for the beginning. I will put that for the thumbnail so that you know it's not unstoppable. Untouchable. I'll see now who untouchable. God will bless him. See, I meet you in my next video. And let me celebrate today. Celebration time, everybody, people now come with. Let us celebrate. I want December, just to celebrate. Every December,
to go bow for the result.
oh.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and